There, finally. Holy moly. Well, if anything, it's a wonderful Midwest landscape. Farm, river, corn growing, smell of hog confinement wafting in. Oof. So we're back out to one of the backed up creeks again. Corn's a bit higher. Bugs are a little worse. You bet. Getting to be summer. How's that?
I hate bugs.
Oh. Okay, I only saw one fish here. I'm going to go across the other side and see what's happening up Gar Creek. Oh, shot high. Crossing lines. Coming over.
You jumped something up.
Oh, one in the bushes. Hit a branch. Dang it, he was a nice one. That was a tough shot. Ripped my hand open too. Good job. I'm gonna have to cut this hand off by the end of the week. Smashed it 3 times with a hammer. Yep. Nope. He got off. Dang it. Boy, they are hard to connect. Way short. Way short. I ain't got time to bleed. Get it. Jumped. Did you get it? Yeah. Well, they're only 1.5 inches wide. Trick shot Tuesdays right now, man. This is nuts. This ain't no place to wear your sissy mittens. Hell, my wife's got freshly shaved legs and she's walking through this thistle like it's nothing. That's right. What? Game on, Wayne. I'm gonna hit him off at the pass. Oh, that put up some action. Dang it, man. This is nuts. Do it. Oh. Oh. Man. No. Oh. Now I just stabbed my hand with my arrow. This is great. Look at that. Jeez Louise. I just poked my hand with my arrow. Whatever. Yeah, they're stacked in here. Well, I hope our health insurance agent's not watching. This is crazy. Oh, here's one. Oh, dang it. There's 2 down here. Man, these things are hard to hit. Okay, stay clear of the arrow. There it goes. Good job, Ray. Ah, jumper. Good Lord, these little dudes are hard to hit. Rolling in at about 20 miles an hour. Got it. No stabbing me. Lock and load. So I don't know what's up with these gar, because usually they're pretty lackadaisical. But man, they're cruising in here like 20 miles an hour. Only got a few seconds to get a shot off. Now the sun's like directly in our eyes, so this is tough. Good action, good times. thistle. Hey, bat. That'll be alright. Luckily my wife, registered nurse. Had worse. So if you want a challenge, try shooting a Q-tip submerged in chocolate milk with a longbow. That's about what we're up against here. Whew. But man, is it fun. There, finally. Holy moly. 50 shots later. Whew. I'll show you how small these guys are we're shooting at. If I can get them up. Not very big. Oh. Wow, that was a lot of shooting. Whew. I'm pooped. She's up taking a break. Whew. Alright folks, we're shot. It's hot, sticky, I'm a bloody mess, but I didn't get skunked. Whew. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it. Share if you did, subscribe if you haven't. Talk to you later. Peace out. Oh boy. Nurse has got to take care of me. She made me a sandwich. Mmm.